Hyaluronic acid attracts water and electrolytes and visibly replumps fine lines and restores skin. Apply it onto damp skin and follow with your usual moisturizer to lock in moisture. Now you know what there is to know about hyaluronic acid and reduce lines. Hyaluronic acid is a molecule naturally found in skin. With age, our skin's production of hyaluronic acid, which gives it its natural volume and bounce, gradually decreases. It leads to loss of hotness and early signs of aging. 1.5% is the optimal level of pure hyaluronic acid that can be delivered in a gentle, non-sticky. I recommend hyaluronic acid to my patients of all skin types and tones to enhance their skin's moisture retention for lasting hydration. In my practice, I often use hyaluronic acids as injectables, but when applied topically, it has been shown to help visibly replump. Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer by L'Oreal, with 3 key anti-aging ingredients, Pro Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, visibly reduces wrinkles, firms, and brightens skin in just 1 week. 97% of women considering their first procedure were satisfied. After 40, our skin needs more than just a basic moisturizer. Ladies, it's time to ask for more. This is not a procedure, it's just a hard-working cream. Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer by L'Oreal Paris. You're worth it. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid face serum is a powerful skincare product designed to hydrate and reduce the appearance of wrinkles with a high concentration of 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid. This serum deeply nourishes the skin, providing long-lasting moisture and plumping effects. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, helping to smooth the skin's texture for a more youthful, radiant appearance. The formula is fragrance-free, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer is a powerful, multi-benefit skincare product designed to address the visible signs of aging. Formulated with a potent blend of Pro Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, this fragrance-free moisturizer helps reduce wrinkles, firm the skin, and brighten its overall appearance. The advanced formula works to boost skin renewal, hydrate deeply, and enhance skin texture, making it appear smoother and more youthful.